How to change RCS to SMS on Android. This tutorial shows you how to disable RCS chat features and switch back to traditional SMS messaging. First, open the Messages app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three dots menu icon in the top right corner. Following that, tap on Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, scroll down and tap on Chat Features or RCS Chats. Moving forward, you'll see the RCS settings page with various chat feature options. Afterwards, look for the Enable Chat Features toggle at the top. In addition to that, tap on the toggle to turn off RCS messaging. Once there, a confirmation pop-up may appear asking you if you're sure you want to disable chat features. Subsequently, tap Turn Off or Disable to confirm your choice. Moreover, your messages will now be sent as SMS or MMS instead of RCS. Afterwards, you'll lose features like read receipts, typing indicators, and high-quality image sharing. Then, your messages will revert to traditional green SMS bubbles. Within the Messages app, all future conversations will use SMS protocol. Alternatively, if you want to re-enable RCS later, just go back to the same setting and toggle it on. Once disabled, you can still send and receive text messages normally, just without RCS features. And that's it. If this RCS to SMS switching guide helped you manage your messaging preferences, drop a like, subscribe for more messaging tutorials, and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.